Why does your scanner show the P2566 engine code? What does it mean? P2566 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger boost control position, sensor A, circuit intermittent. It indicates the voltage signal from the sensor to the powertrain control module is not within the expected range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Wiring issues. TBCPS sensor failure. Turbocharger problems. Vacuum circuit issues. Failed PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Hyundai, Dodge, GMC, Toyota, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.